Hello again everyone, and welcome to my new try on haul with black and white, white and black inspired monochrome idea of lingerie which I wear now. So I've got a sports bra in white, and I've got knickers or maybe briefs in black with a lace detail, flower detail here. And welcome to see me for much longer, because this is a longer video than I usually do. So please feel welcome to enjoy it. Don't worry about my shoes, they are a bit damaged, but they will be discarded soon. So I'm going to have a different kind of shoes to do try and haul. Wedge shoes. Thank you very much for watching and subscribing and following me. Thank you for watching my videos and my pictures. Please enjoy them and see you soon in the next video. Love you.